Hello everyone, and welcome to my kitchen. For the old-fashioned wafer, pour 1 liter of milk into a pot. Add 700 grams of sugar. Mix everything and place it on the heat. While waiting for it to boil, stir occasionally. When the milk starts to boil, reduce the heat to prevent it from boiling over. Let it simmer on low heat. Stir it occasionally. While the milk and sugar simmer, prepare the Raffaello filling. In a pot, place 300 grams of sugar, 200 grams of butter. Margarine can also be used. Add 150 milliliters of water. Now place it on the heat. Stir occasionally to help the mixture melt faster. Meanwhile, stir the milk and sugar mixture. After 3 minutes of cooking, remove from heat. Now add 100 grams of white chocolate. Stir slightly to help the chocolate melt. Then add 200 grams of powdered milk. When mixed, there might be some lumps, but don't worry. Gradually add coconut. I added a total of 150 grams of coconut. The mixture should look like this, as it will be used to spread on the rows and layers. While it sets, it will thicken. Place parchment paper on a board. Then place a layer sheet. Spread about 3 tablespoons of the filling. I got a bit carried away and added a bit more than needed. The filling cooled just as needed. While we prepared everything, now it can be spread evenly. Don't let the filling sit for too long, as it will thicken and become harder to spread. Don't blame me later by saying this isn't good. Press the last layer gently with your hand. Place parchment paper on top. Place a board or tray. Add a weight of 1 kilogram or 1 liter. Now place it in the fridge. After 40 minutes of cooking, everything should look like this. It's a light caramel. Now add 200 grams of butter. Continue stirring until the butter melts. After 45 minutes of cooking, it's time to remove from heat. When removed from heat, add 100 grams of dark chocolate. Stir slightly to help it melt. Then add 300 grams of ground walnuts. Stir until the chocolate melts and binds everything together. Let the filling sit for 10 to 15 minutes to cool slightly. Then spread it on the wafers. Once the filling has cooled, spread it on the wafer. If you're worried the filling might be too runny, simmer the milk and sugar for 5 minutes longer. You won't go wrong. Now place the last wafer on top. Press gently with your hand. Then place parchment paper. Any tray will do. Add a light weight. Place it in the fridge. Now it's time to glaze the rosé cake. Melt 100 grams of white chocolate with 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of oil. Pour it over. No need to smooth it perfectly, as we'll sprinkle coconut on top. Wait for the chocolate to set, then slice and serve the cake.